In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom B2B registration form in Shopify. From your Shopify admin, go to the left sidebar and click Apps. A search bar will open. In that search bar, look for Shopify Forms by Shopify, then click the app when it appears. On the app page, click Install. When the permissions page opens, click Install again to confirm. After that, you'll be inside the Shopify Forms dashboard. In the middle of the screen, click Create Form. You'll be asked to choose the form type. Select Inline. This creates a form that sits inside a dedicated page instead of showing as a pop-up. Next, you need to name the form. Click into the Name field and type B2B Registration. Enter that clearly as the form name. Then click Create. The form editor will open, and you'll see a live preview on the right side. Now move to the Field section on the left. Click Company and Customer. As soon as you select it, the form is set up to collect the core B2B information. This adds the required company name field and email address field. These are mandatory, and when someone submits the form, Shopify automatically creates a company record, a company location, and a customer profile in your admin. Next, add a custom field for business information. Under the existing fields, click Add New Field. Then click New Field to create a custom input. For the field type, choose single line text. After that, click into the field label area and type VAT/tax ID. This will be the label customers see when they fill out the form. Once the label is entered, turn on the required toggle so this field has to be completed before submission. Then go to the storage option and select Also Store as Company Metafield. This means the values submitted through the form will also be saved directly on the company profile in the admin. Click Done. To finish creating the field, you'll now see the new field in the preview on the right. Now customize the text that appears on the form. In the preview, click directly on the heading text. Replace it by typing Apply for a wholesale account. Enter the full heading so the purpose of the form is immediately clear on the page. Then click the content text below the heading and update that description. Type Fill out the form below to request B2B access. Once that description is in place, scroll down to the button section. Click into the button text and change it to Submit Application. This updates the call to action customers will click when they finish the form. Right below the button settings, update the success message. For the success heading, type Thank you for applying. Then move to the success body text and enter We'll review your application and contact you within 1 to 2 business days. Make sure that full message is entered so customers see a clear confirmation after they submit the form. With the form content finished, go to the top right corner and click Save. After the form is saved, scroll down to the Placements section. In that area, click Create a new landing page. Shopify will ask for a page title. Click into the title field and type Wholesale Registration. Enter that as the page name, then click Create Page. Once the page is created, Shopify generates a new page in your online store with the form embedded on it. The page URL will appear below in the placement area. That means the landing page is live and connected to the form you just built. At this point, your storefront now has a custom B2B registration form that collects company name, email address, and the VAT/tax ID field you added. When a business customer fills it out and submits it, Shopify automatically creates the company record inside your admin. You can find it under Customers, then Companies, and it will appear with an Ordering Not Approved status. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.